Bohr's model of atom. So Bohr's model of atom or Bohr's theory of atom was developed by a Danish physicist and Nobel laureate Niels Bohr in 1913 to overcome the drawbacks of Rutherford's model of atom. So another scientist, that is Niels Bohr, so to overcome the drawbacks of the Rutherford model, he postulated Bohr's theory. So what are these postulates? That the main postulates of this theory are: first, electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits. Second, out of the several possible circular orbits, the electron is allowed to revolve only in a certain permissible or allowed orbits. Third, the allowed orbits are associated with a definite amount or fixed amount of energy. So these orbits are called the stationary states or energy levels or shells. So these energy level or shells are designated by the letters K, L, M, N, O and so on, or as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So there is a K orbit, that is called the first orbit, that is nearest to the nucleus and has the lowest energy. So here we can see that this is our nucleus and the nearest orbit is K, then L, then M, then N. And similarly we can designate as 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. So the order of energies of these shells is as follows. So this is the decreasing order of KLMNO, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next, as long as electron revolves in the allowed energy level or shell, it does not radiate any energy, that is the energy of the electron remain constant in a particular orbit. And when an electron jumps from lower energy level or lower orbit to higher energy level or higher orbit, so it absorbs energy. As we can see here that the energy is absorbed when electron is moving from lower energy level to high energy level or orbit. But when it jumps from the higher energy level or orbit to the lower energy level or orbit, so energy is emitted. So when an electron makes a transition from one orbit to another, so there is either lost or gain in definite discrete packets, that is called quantum or photon. So here we can see that here the energy is released if an electron that jumps from high energy to lower energy.